there are like 2 photos and 0 videos of these on the internet, so I figured I would make a video to show people what they're actually like. And this is a set of Duraflex side skirt extensions for a Pontiac Fiero GT, and as typical of Duraflex, they are absolutely crooked as crap from the factory, and there will be presumably a low effort jump cut behind this audio of how I fixed that with a heat gun and some clamps. But to actually get them on the rocker panel, I used construction adhesive. Somebody recommended it to me for something like this because it's relatively flexible for a bonding agent, unlike fiberglass resin. And I just packed this gap full of construction adhesive. You can see it sticking out right there. And then packed this gap full of construction adhesive. You can see the gray that contrasts with the Bondo. And then use some spacers and clamps to get it all to hold together while it dries, because this stuff takes like 24 hours to fully cure. And then gave her some Bondo to make sure she was level. Need to finish sanding this little corner right there, but it's fine. But what this does is, on the car, the factory Fiero rocker panel is recessed underneath the aero package. These bring the rocker panel out so that it is level with the factory aero package, about as level as it can be. Now, this one's not clipped in all the way. These 2 clips that clip into the quarter panel aren't fully in, and that's why there's this massive gap here you can about fit your finger in. But other than that, they actually look pretty good, and all this blue will go away, of course, when they're painted. But on to different business. I am getting ready to do a video on radar absorbing paint for a car. If you'd like to see that, stay tuned.